I want to do the third attack now. We're pretty much going to repeat the same process we did with the second hit. So this ends at 24. So the third one starts at 25. Okay, looks good. Apply. And I'm going to go to the Ybot animator and drag in the third combo. And again, we forgot to rename it. Third combo _3. Rename it in the animation as well. Third combo _3. Apply. Make a transition from 2 to 3. Again, it's based on the exit time, and attack needs to be true. And going from 3 back to idle, we don't need anything because by this third hit, everything has ended. So we're just going to go back to idle once the animation is finished. Okay. And let me also look at the transition between 2 to 3. And because the animation is already connected as a single move, we don't need any transition here. Still makes sense. And if I look at the number 2 state and look at the attack script, the scriptable object, we have combo start time at 20% and end time at 80%. So if I click play, I need to press attack again before the move ends. Okay, here we need to set the condition back to idle and attack needs to be false. So I'm gonna click play again. So if I press attack 3 times, we get the 3 combo. If I press it twice, we get 2. Press it once, we get 1. Again, twice, 3 times, different move. I think I should cut the end of the animation again. So here it is. So here is the punch. Okay, I think 45 is good. Let me take a look at the transition. Okay. Oh wait. Let's make sure that we have foot IK for everything. Okay, looks good. We still need the attack register and move forward. So I'm going to create a folder 123 combo _3, and I'm going to create the attack scriptable object. Player 123 combo _3 attack. Debug. Attack register at 10%, 90%. We're going to fix this by debugging. And I think the attacking power was left hand. Death type none. Must collide with the left hand. This is not for collision based attacks. Lethal range, again, it's not for collision based. Max hits is 1. And a generous combo window between 20% to 80%. And I'm going to add the ability into the character state. Let me also create move forward player 123 combo _3, move forward, lock direction, it's a constant, and again I want to decrease over time up to 40%, speed 4, block distance 0.1. Add it to the state, and if I play, we should now be moving forward and registering the attack. Looks good enough already, but let me adjust a little more. And let me try attacking the enemy. Looks like it's working fine. Let me just try again. Oops. It's a bit of a challenge. Okay. I think it looks pretty good. So there we have the 123 combo. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.